Hey, no problem. I know what it is. Early morning shift. And I got this backwood. This shit is cool. You know? Hey, thank you. How you guys doing this morning?
Good, man. It's been better since we found you.
Well, I'll do my video. You guys can just keep doing what you're doing. I'm just
We won't bother you at all.
Okay. All right, so what's going on, man? It's your boy Ty. Right now, we are at Santa Monica Pier. So a lot of people ask, you know, how do you control your emotions while building your Forex account? How do you control your emotions while building your accounts? And I feel like the easiest way, literally, to control your emotions is to stop being emotional. So let me tell you, step one, right? What I do. First thing, like a lot of people see me smoke and things like that because it keeps my mind calm, it keeps me calm. So I would say figure out a vice or figure out something that you could do, right? That could distract you, you know, while you're waiting for your trades to play out. I'm really good at sitting on my hands. So what sitting on your hands means, that basically means that I'm really good at being patient. So if you see me trading or anything like that, if you guys check out any of my live videos or anything like that, you will see that I'm a very patient trader. I do not execute right until I see the perfect opportunity. We're supposed to be making money, right? And I feel like the easiest way to make money is to literally be patient, see the opportunity, and then take the opportunity once it's there. But if there's no opportunity, and I talk about this all the time, and you know, the mentorships and stuff, I tell people all the time, hey, just like a female, right? If you're a guy, you see a female, you feel like she's attractive, I feel like the first thing to do is say, what's up? There's your opportunity. Okay, now she's walking. This opportunity is passing you by. Okay, now she's all the way down the street. Guess what? Guess what happens to that opportunity? It just gets slimmer and slimmer. So when we apply that to finance, when we apply that to Forex, when we apply that to the stock market, stock options, crypto, or whatever it is, whatever type of investor you are, me, I'm Forex, you know? So whatever type of investor you are, be patient, be patient, be patient. That's literally gonna take you to the next level. Patience. The second thing, right? The second thing, all right, so you need this, I would say you have to be able to enjoy the turbulence, meaning it's gonna get rocky. It's going to get rocky, right? It's gonna get rocky out here while you're trading. Sometimes you're gonna have red days in your portfolio. But a lot of people, they see the red days and they start getting afraid. Oh, it's a red day, it's a red day. Hey, a red day is literally a part of the game. It's literally a part of life. We go through life living, breathing, eating, literally just enjoying, right, the fruits of our labor, the fruits of, you know, of what life has to offer. And what I feel like is really, really cool is that sometimes you may wake up and you may stub your toe. Sometimes you may wake up and you may get a headache, right? You may wake up and get a headache. So if you wake up, stub your toe, wake up and get a headache, then what happens? You're not gonna have the best of day, right? Just like with the market, every day is not going to be the best of days, but you have to make, right? You have to be able to control that. So how do you control that? How do you control that? Super simple. Learn, earn, repeat. Learn, earn, repeat, right? You do those three things, I promise you, you literally take your life to the next level. Nee, what's my time right now? Where we at?
3:15.
3:15, cool. We cracking right here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we about to. One more thing and then I'm out of here. Freedom. So if you want to achieve true financial freedom, you know what you need to do? You need to get your fucking credit right. Because look, man, I didn't know this until a few years back, right? About this whole credit thing. I was spending fucking full on cash for everything, paying cash this. Then I'm wondering why is, you know, everything looking different? Because people are just swiping credit. So I would say get your credit right. Do whatever you can to get your credit right, because cash may be king. Cash may be king, but credit rules the entire, you know what I'm saying, the entire nation. So get your credit right so you be able to do what you need to do, right? It's your boy Ty. I'm blocking this road right now, you know what I'm saying, and I appreciate Nene on the camera, and peace out. I'm out.